Pakistan continues to provoke India by repeatedly violating ceasefire at the border. And on its target are not only the army posts but the civilians and Indian villages. Frustrated by Pakistan's treachery, India has retaliated in equal measure as the tension of LAC continues to escalate. "60 violations in just 30 days. As hostilities continue to flare up at the line of control, embarrassed and rattled by India's military and diplomatic offensive, Pakistan guns are booming almost every day at the border.
The villagers they actually have nowhere to go, and that is the reason why they are staying around 6 to 7 kilometers away from the LOC. But they are still thinking whether to go back to the villages because they're waiting for their crop. Their crop is standing, and they need to go back to the villages to go back to the usual business. But right now, it seems to be very difficult.
The Pakistan troops not only targeting India's military post, but have launched attacks on Indian villages.
यहाँ तो खत्म होना चाहिए, यहाँ तो एक बार जो होना चाहिए आर पार की लड़ाई होनी चाहिए, ठीक नहीं? लड़ाई तो हमारी लगी, हमारा घर उजड़ गया।
यहाँ तो ये हमें चाहिए आर पार की लड़ाई होनी चाहिए, ठीक है? ऐसी लड़ाई होनी चाहिए कि अगर दम है, यहाँ जो बच जाए लोग आराम से रहे, या फिर अगर दम है पाकिस्तान में, वो हमारी इंडिया आर्मी से सामने आके बात करे, मिलिटेंटों के थ्रू वो लड़ाई कर रहा है, तो इसलिए वो खुद आए, सामने आके लड़ाई करे।
From Jawans to civilians, all are the victims of Pakistan's military aggression. While 7 Jawans have been martyred in 1 month, an 8-year-old boy was killed by Pak Rangers firing last week. Facing heavy shelling and fire, the villagers near the border have been evacuated as India mounts a befitting reply.
Just from Hamipur village, I was trying to leave the village as early as possible because the shelling has started here since morning. This is 28th of October and the shelling has begun. This is the Palanwala sector, and the LOC is hardly few meters away from here. It's hardly 100 to 200 meters from here.
On an average, 2 ceasefire violations taking place every day since India's surgical strikes, Pakistan continues to provoke India. Bureau Report, India Today.